Now, installation is the reverse of removal, except a few things. Don't put the alternator and the AC back on until last, because that allows you to put the intake in more easily. See, if you had the alternator and the compressor in the way, then it would be harder to put back in. And then you know, of course, torque down your bolts to specifications, and you know, to get these bolts in on the side, you do the same thing. You back it out, or you put it in with the bolts the same way you took it out.
New messages received from Target News at E.
Anyways, so it's a kind of tight fit, but make sure everything's on. Make sure you replace your intake plenum gasket as well, and then put it all back together.